Did you know that financial deserts are slowly occurring throughout rural America? The term financial desert is used in the banking and community development industries to describe what occurs when a financial institution closes a branch and leaves the citizens of that area with few or no safe, reliable alternatives. This often happens when there is consolidation among community banks that overlap in the same territory, resulting in branch closures. But more commonly, financial deserts occur when a national or regional megabank puts profits over people and closes branches in small town markets because the bank does not feel there is enough business for them to be profitable.
From 2014 to 2024, 199 bank branches closed, and 73% of the counties in Alabama lost at least one bank branch. Over the same 10-year time frame, only 7 Alabama counties gained one or more bank branches. Regardless of the reason for these bank branch closures, the result is the same. The citizens of these communities are generally left with few or no banking options. Small-town bank closures mean citizens spending more of their hard-earned paychecks on gas traveling to the next town, or potentially paying high fees to get cash from an ATM for necessary items. In some cases, consumers spend an hour driving 20-plus miles each way just to cash or deposit a check.
Financial deserts also impact local city and county governments, which no longer have a financial institution nearby to deposit their public funds into. And some town and county government entities have to carry large amounts of cash to a bank in the next county over. A final symptom of bank branch closures is no remaining entity to charge fair interest rates on loans or provide citizens with financial literacy and advice. Often, the only entities left in a financial desert are high-interest finance companies like title pawn stores and payday lenders, charging up to 300% interest.
What is the solution for these financial deserts? Is anyone stepping up to fill these banking voids that are being created? There actually is a solution, and it's credit unions. In fact, from 2014 to 2024, 56 new credit union branches have opened, and 49% of Alabama counties have seen a new credit union branch open during that 10-year time frame. Credit unions are regulated and insured just like banks, but they are owned by the individuals in the communities these credit unions serve. These not-for-profit financial cooperative credit unions are filling the void left by bank branch closures.
Credit unions provide traditional banking services with checking accounts, car loans, CDs, mortgages, and credit cards. But they do so much more. Credit unions provide hope for rural areas of a more prosperous future, and credit unions infuse capital into smaller local communities by providing loans for residents to purchase vehicles and complete home renovations. Credit unions also offer commercial loans, which infuse cash into smaller businesses who might be the largest employer in a small town.
Local community credit unions are there for our next generation also. Credit unions are trusted advisors providing financial advice to teens and young adults. Many parents lack the knowledge to explain subjects such as loan interest rates, the importance of saving, and the best type of checking accounts available. Thankfully, credit unions can cover all of those topics and also provide customized advice for those looking to obtain their first credit card or open their first savings account.
All In Credit Union is an organization highly focused on filling the gap in these financial deserts. We serve many small communities within our geographic footprint of Southern Alabama and North Florida that have few or no banking options. To be specific, All In has emphasized our expansion into small Alabama towns like Clayton, Elba, and Louisville, as well as Century, Florida. And one very unique way that All In can provide branches in small rural towns is through partnerships with local school systems, like in Rehoboth, Alabama,
where the credit union employs high school students to work and at the same time receive class credit and a paycheck.
Of more importance, these students learn about customer service and obtain soft skills they can carry with them throughout their career.
It is important to remember that every major U.S. town started with less than 1,000 citizens. Atlanta, St. Louis, even San Francisco, all were small towns at one point. All In believes in the future of the small towns that it serves and wants to help them reach their full potential and not become another financial desert. By banking with All In, our members encourage the concept of people helping people. In fact, your support and membership help All In provide safe, affordable financial services to tens of thousands of people in the rural Southeast who might not have any other options. If you do not do your banking with a credit union, we invite you to come and discover the credit union difference.